Hello children, just to remind you that we are studying about eye. We studied about the structure of eye, then we studied about the way eye functions. The normal position of eye is very simple. You know, the normal position means suppose in a relaxed way the eye is looking, then the eye lens is in a relaxed mode. Now we are actually touching two extremes. Suppose the eye has to see nearer object, alright, and the distant object. Both the things we will discuss over here in defect of eye. So first there are two defects of eyes. One is myopia and another one is hypermetropia. So we will be discussing myopia first. But remember, myopia spelling is short and hypermetropia spelling is long. Why I am talking this? Because that is the hint to memorize, to remember and to understand these defects. So I start with myopia, as I said. So in myopia, see, the spelling is short, so myopia is called short-sightedness. Now what does short-sightedness means? Short-sightedness means that the eye has got the ability to see nearer object perfectly. That means from the near point and nearer object can be picked up perfectly. What happens, suppose the eye is watching any object nearer to it, then the ciliary muscles expand, the eyeball goes a little far backwards, and then what happens? What happens? Let us have a look. I can come this side and tell you. Then what happens? The rays, the eye lens converges the rays. The converging power is quite a lot, and converges the rays to retina. So the rays from nearer object, they converge at retina, they meet at retina, and therefore nearer object are visible. So in myopia, the spelling is short, means short-sightedness. That means the near objects can be seen perfectly. So near vision is correct. All right. Now I move to, then what is the problem? The problem is that the rays, when continuously a person is seeing nearer object, all right, then the distant vision becomes damaged. It happens to the students because, you know, continuously you are watching, reading. So what will happen? The eye lens will, normally what will happen? The eye lens is in a contracted stage, all right. It's not elongated, it's compressed, and its curving power or the curving power has increased, all right. Its focal length has decreased, and the eyeball also little bit it has recedes backwards. So what happens? Continuously using eye like that, then the muscles have a tendency to pick up particular shapes. Then what happens? The eye lens forgets to elongate, almost, and elongate perfectly. Then what will happen? The rays from distant object, the rays from distant object, they come parallel. So they do not need much convergence, but here what is happening? Due to the increased converging power of the eye lens, the rays intersect before retina. And therefore again the spelling, short spelling means short-sightedness, and defect mein kya use karna, what we have to use? The rays intersect before retina. Alright, it falls short of retina. So that short spelling gives you that hint. So rays from distant object intersect before retina, so distant vision is defective. Now what is the correction? Let us have a look. What is the correction over here? The correction is what? We use a lens which can diverge the parallel rays, so that when the rays are diverged, then they can be again, and the converging power of lens then again can make them converge till the retina. All right. So divergence will make it more spaced, and then even with maximum convergence the rays will intersect at the retina. So concave lens means what? Negative power, negative focal length, so negative power. That is the first thing you have to understand. So short spelling, so everything short. So minus and plus, which is short? Minus will be considered short and plus will be considered tall. So when they ask you about myopia, straight away understand hypermetropia, you remember. So myopia is short-sightedness. So what will happen? The rays will intersect. Near vision is correct for short-sightedness. Second is the rays will fall short and intersect before retina. All right. And then what happens? The minus power is used because of the short spelling, short and long. I will take short as minus, so negative power is used. So concave lens of suitable focal length is used. Now see the mechanism, what happens. I go with a question. The far point of a person is 125 centimeter. Find the power of the lens is going to use. Suppose from here to here, just imagine, it's not scaled, but just imagine from here to here the distance is 125 centimeter. So when rays come from, or suppose there is a tree over here, so the rays are coming from the trees, and then what happens, the lens diverges it, and the tree is made over here. So the image of the tree is made over here, say for example, or a flower, and then what happens, let us have a look. So this lens, what it has done, it has taken the image from very far and put it to the far point of the, that means the far point of the unhealthy eyes. Now healthy eyes was infinity, but for unhealthy eye it is what, 125 centimeter. So that is the far point. So the image will be created over here, and this image will be picked up by the eye lens. See the eye lens, suppose you remove, then you see the rays coming like this from the image formed over here, and it is again formed on the eye. Now have a look, there is a numerical, the far point of a person is 125 centimeter. Find the power of the lens. So first we will take out the focal length, First we will take out the focal length. Let us see, focal length will be how much? Focal length is minus 125 centimeter. That is equal to, focal length is minus 125 by 100 of a meter. So it is how much? Minus 5 by 4 meter. But we know power is 1 by focal length. So that means it will just reverse. So it will be minus 4 by 5. That is how much? Let us see. That will be minus 0.8 diopter. So the power of the lens. So minus 0.8 diopter. So your most of this situation, most of the myopic eyes are of students. So you see, if you'll ask your friends, maximum children in the school who are putting on glasses, they will be wearing the negative, wearing the negative power. Thank you.